Ok, andiamo. Buongiorno a tutti, sono Michaël e lui è Pierre, caro amico. Io sono... torno a prima, sì. Quindi siamo qui oggi per presentarvi un progetto che è molto importante per noi, che si chiama Display Builder. Io sono Michaël, come l'ho detto, lavoro in Francia per un'agenzia digitale che si chiama DrupalCamp. Pierre è owner di Beris e anche uno dei 20 core lead, quelli che fanno Drupal. Quindi prima di andare sul soggetto principale che è Display Builder, devo parlare un po' della UI Suite, che è un'iniziativa che abbiamo creato con Pierre e un altro amico che si chiama Green Reaper su Drupal. E questa iniziativa ve la presento subito dopo con i prossimi slide. Se volete andare a vedere, abbiamo un sito e una pagina su Drupal.org che spiega un po' che cos'è questa iniziativa. Quindi, prima di andare su Display Builder e i live demos, vi devo introdurre due cose. Cos'è l'UI Suite iniziativa e come funziona, senza andare troppo nelle precisioni. Il soggetto principale è di parlare di Display Builder oggi. Quindi cos'è l'UI Suite iniziativa? Prima andiamo su qualche cifre. Questa iniziativa l'abbiamo creata 7 anni fa con Pierre e un altro amico. Oggi siamo 6 persone nella core team UI Suite. Ci sono più di quasi 400 persone sul nostro Slack channel, sul Slack Drupal. E oggi abbiamo un core lead che è Pierre e 2 core maintainers che mantengono delle API in Drupal. E possiamo dire che oggi abbiamo avuto più di 100 contributori che hanno fatto un po' di codice sui diversi moduli che manteniamo. Altre cifre, la UI Suite è composta di 6 moduli principali, 4 temi che manteniamo e tutti messi insieme abbiamo più di 10.000 installazioni che sono dichiarate su Drupal.org. E gli ultimi cifri sul marketing, organizziamo ogni mese un monthly meeting che è pubblico. Ognuno di voi può venire, siete benvenuti. Abbiamo partecipato a più di 20 eventi da 7 anni. Abbiamo un YouTube channel dove ricordiamo i monthly meeting che le mettiamo in pubblico e abbiamo un website per condividere blog post e altre cose. Allora, UI Suite è nata da una constatazione, e qual è questa constatazione? Possiamo dire che Drupal è una soluzione incredibile nella categoria CMS per fare tante cose senza produrre codice. Si può fare del content modeling, sviluppare business rules, ma quando veniamo sulla parte di display viene subito difficile di avere un'esperienza no-code. E quindi il nostro obiettivo dall'inizio è sempre stato quello di avere questa esperienza no-code su il display building. E dall'inizio abbiamo avuto quest'idea, che è di dire che abbiamo un system, un CMS, e sulla parte design ci sono altri sistemi, che sono i design system. E quindi un design strutturato come un design system deve essere qualcosa che Drupal può capire e utilizzare. E quindi questa è veramente l'idea iniziale del nostro lavoro. Adesso andiamo su come funziona l'UI Suite. Quindi in un design system, come ho detto, è un sistema strutturato e ci sono diverse parti. Troviamo le cose che sono più evidenti, che sono i component, ma ci sono altre cose. Troviamo style utilities, grid layout, icon packs, modes, CSS variables, animation transition e anche esempi di tutte queste cose messe insieme. E quindi oggi possiamo dire che Drupal Core è diventato un design system native CMS. Ecco perché. Nella versione 10.1 di Drupal è stato integrato SDC, che è un API che permette di dichiarare component in un tema Drupal. E questo SDC permette di integrare in un tema components e anche layouts e grids. Poi in Drupal 11.1 è stata introdotta l'icon API da Pierre e un altro amico, che permette di dichiarare sempre nel tema icon packs. E domani, nel Drupal 11.3, ci sarà la Style API, anche introdotta da Pierre come build, che permette di integrare style utilities e i mods. Mods sono light, dark. Okay. E anche domani, in 11.3, ci sarà la token API che permetterà di dichiarare CSS variable sempre in un tema Drupal. E quindi abbiamo APIs che permettono di fare il package di design system. E questi API generano plugins per ogni parte, components, icons, styles e tokens. E quindi questi plugins permettono di usare questi artefact di design system in codice. Questi sono esempi PHP, dove potete usare render arrays, o potete usare anche 3D. Ok. Questo è già bello, ma è sempre codice, quindi non c'è la no code experience. Quindi abbiamo nella parte tema delle APIs che generano plugins. E dall'altra parte abbiamo altri plugins per tutti i display builder che possiamo trovare in Drupal. C'è block layout, layout builder, manage display, views e CK editor. E quindi UI Suite, il lavoro di UI Suite è di collegare questi plugin per avere questa no-code experience. E quindi, per esempio, grazie a UI Suite e qui è UI Patterns, per esempio, potete usare components in layout builder, ma lo potete fare anche in manage display, block layout, in tutti i display builders. Lo stesso per i styles and utilities, potete usarli in layout builder, CK editor, block layout, eccetera, eccetera. Lo stesso per gli icon packs, con UI icons, potete usare tutti i vostri icon pack in tutti i display builder in Drupal. E lo stesso per UI skills. Ok, adesso display builder. Quindi potete usare tutti gli artefatti di un design system grazie a UI Suite di tutti i display builder. Ma c'è un problema. Non è facile fare questo site building perché dovete andare in diverse. Potete usare questi artefatti dappertutto, ma dappertutto ci sono tanti display builder diversi. Quindi è un'esperienza frammentata. Quindi abbiamo questo slide, lo stesso di prima, e adesso con display builder noi diciamo non vogliamo questo. Quello che vogliamo è questo, avere questi artefatti packaggiati, impaccati in un tema, questi plugins che sono generati e li vogliamo direttamente available, non lo so come si dice in italiano, disponibile, in una soluzione universale che permette di usarla in un solo posto. Quindi la filosofia di display builder è quella. Quindi display builder è il nostro progetto di oggi e che è costruito con HTMX, che è la nuova API che arriva anche in Drupal 11.3. E quindi l'obiettivo è quello, di prendere tutti i display builder e metterli tutti insieme in uno universale. Adesso vogliamo parlare un po' di Drupal Canvas. Drupal Canvas è la nostra competizione. Abbiamo preso due strade opposte, come si dice? Opposte. E quindi facciamo un po' il paragone tra noi e loro. Sulla parte dello scope, display builder, il scope di display builder prende tutti i display builder che abbiamo oggi in Drupal e le mette in un solo universale. Possiamo fare entity view display, override, entity for non è ancora qui ma arriverà, il page layout e possiamo anche usarlo per views. Da un'altra parte Canvas o è partial o non è qui o... No, ok, abbiamo un scope più completo. E sulla parte dei features, questi facciamo le demo dopo, Content Edition l'avremo, Pattern Set l'abbiamo, Import from Layout Builder, quindi avete già fatti schermi con Layout Builder, possono essere migrati automaticamente con Display Builder. Component Code Editor è la sola feature che non vogliamo perché noi pensiamo che non dobbiamo mettere codice nella database, quindi è la sola cosa che non faremo mai. Poi abbiamo la Written Collaboration, possiamo avere diversi profile per il Display Builder, potete impostarlo nel modo vostro e vorremmo magari fare l'AI integration, ma ci manca bracci, quindi... E l'ultimo paragone quindi, è più filosofico. Display Builder è una soluzione che è fatta da gente che vengono da agenzie, non da prodotto. Quindi pensiamo che la nostra soluzione va bene per le agenzie digitali. Sul volume di lavoro, vedrete, si dice vedere, vedrete, ok. Che vedrete, abbiamo messo 200 giorni per produrre questa che diventerà una beta tra qualche giorno. 200 giorni ho lasciato per Canvas, non lo sappiamo. La cosa che sappiamo è che 2 anni che lavorano e sono 20 a tempo pieno e le abbiamo superato sullo scope. Quindi sulla dimensione ci sono 10.000 linee di codice, loro sono quasi a 60. Per la manutenzione la nostra soluzione è leggera, fatto con una sola dipendenza che è UI Patterns e dall'altra parte abbiamo un'altra soluzione che è molto specifica, fatto con React.js e con tante dipendenze. Quindi, paragone fatto, possiamo andare sulle live demo e adesso è Pierre, che lui non parla italiano, quindi la farà in inglese, spero che va bene per voi. E quindi 7 tappe, vi presentiamo page layout, i profiles, la migration from layout builder to display builder, i pattern preset, entity view overrides, views and real-time collaboration. Grazie.
Hi, buongiorno. So let's start. I have 20 minutes to prove you this builder is great, and in 20 minutes I want all of you to be excited and to project yourself as a future users. So here it's a fresh Drupal install. I just did a make install here. I installed just display builder, UI Suite modules, Gene and Minsim, because I am in 11.3 and I'm projecting to 11.3 for Drupal, and a team using Daisy UI, which is a design system, and we have an implementation. So we switch to the other mic. Here. Let's start. So I'm connecting here, and I'm welcome with the default display of the theme. So this is page.html.with. And in Drupal session, if you want to edit it, you go there. You go there. What do you think about this page? It's a mess, no? It's very old, and there is 3 issues here. Yeah, I'm not comfortable with this. Okay. So, we have 3 issues here. First, there is no preview. No preview. You need to build and you need to check. Second, you can build only 1 page. Of course, you can add function plugin on block, but it's only 1 page. And third, everything is hard-coded. Where define the region, navbar, highlighted in info.yaml file in the team. Why? Where it defines the global layout in page.html.twig. Why? Why I'm not able to build my page from Drupal admin UI? And fourth issue, where can I use my ADC component? So, the first feature of display builder we are proposing to you is a replacement of this page. Let's have a look. I go to structure, page layout, and here I can add as many page layout as I want. If I have no page layout, of course, the default page default block layout will be used. I add a page layout, and it's very simple. It's a label, entity label, a profile, we will talk about profile later, and condition plugin. Your normal Drupal condition plugin. From core, contrib, custom, your condition plugin. So, any condition you can use it. Let's build a page only for the user page. Okay? I save, and now I can build my display. Here we go. This is display builder. So it looks like most of the display building tool on the web, but it's in purpose. We want to bring you a comfortable UI. So on the left, I have a sidebar with many features. On the middle, I can switch from different panels with tabs. On the right, I have buttons for action and also extra feature. I have a right click. Oh, I can have action, potential action with right click. And if I left click, here I have a sidebar with other feature. Classic, okay? So let's build our page. Yeah, it's so annoying. Okay, I will switch it. So let's build the page. So I'm here and I will take library. I have all my DC components in library. I will take the navbar. Navbar from the UI. You know the UI? I will just show you before. This is the UI. It's a design system. So I'm using this design system, but I can use any other design system which is implemented as a Drupal team. Your design system, Bootstrap, Material Design, any design system, as soon as this is in Drupal team. So let's go back here. This is my navbar. On my navbar, I have 3 slots, so 3 regions. I have start, center, and end. So I will move, for example, the page title here to the start. Sorry. I will move my icon menu here to the end, and that's all. The breadcrumb after that. The branding, I don't care. This, I don't care. Local task, I don't care. Of course, because it's a demo. In reality, I care about it. Pagina content here, and footer is here, and power by Drupal, I don't care. Okay, so this is the main navigation. I will move it here. That's nice. I click again on my navbar, and I can configure the prop of my SDC. There is no prop for this component. And I also can apply some styles. So let's do that. Styles is a new API expected for 11.3. So I will put accent color. a box shadow, and some spacing with some margin bottom. Oh, that's a very big margin. Let's do medium. Wow, that's great. And then I will use another SDC component. It's called section. It will create a container, so I can move my main content here, for example. Okay, I have a demo effect. It's alpha. Okay, I have an issue with my. It's an alpha, but we will release the beta one in a few days because we have only one ticket left. Maybe two. Okay, so I will go, and the footer is here. And so, I build all this stuff. So I got the issue. So I'm refreshing, so I have a fresh text. So now it's nice. So I can publish. And also everything I've done was registered as a step in the log. And look, I can go back in the both direction. Thanks to the log. I have a preview. I have layers to have a simple view. And I can also add any component, but also any block. So what are the blocks here? There are Drupal block, but there is also everything bring back the Drupal context. You see, we are using everything Drupal is providing to us. The context, the condition plugin, the SDC component, the block, everything. Okay, so now I've said it. And if I go to another page, if I go, for example, to the front page, nothing has changed, of course, because I put a condition plugin. And now, if I go to the user page, it's built. It's cool, no? Thank you. Just that, it's already great because we are replacing block layout with something very cool, very modern. It's like page manager, but very small and using all the modern Drupal API. But that's not all. Yeah, of course, you don't need to you enjoy templating the template or the LC template only. If I update, I publish. It's of course it's updating. So now here it's page layout. When I create a page layout, I told you there is profile here. Profile is the secret sauce. This builder profile, or how you build the builder. For example, you have one profile by default, but you can create as many profiles as you want. Every time you create a profile, you can link it to permission and role. I will show you. Here, this profile is only for administrators. Then, this profile is managing all the tools. Because let's go back to the distributor, page layout. Up, it was here. What is totally crazy? It's everything you see on the screen here is a Drupal plugin. All tab of Drupal plugin, all button of Drupal plugin, all side panel of Drupal plugin, the contextual panel here of Drupal plugin too, and to finish, the right menu items of Drupal plugin. A lot of plugins. These plugins are called island plugins, and they are powered by HTMX. Who knows HTMX? Okay, so it's replacing the old Ajax API in Drupal, and it's mind-blowing. You see, all this tool is very dynamic. I have live preview. It's instant. It's so fast, and there is no JavaScript. Everything is rendered on server side by the good old Drupal renderer, thanks to HTMX. So let's go to this builder and let's play with that. So I will take my log and I will move my log to the sidebar instead of the main area. I will remove the tree and I will save. I refresh here and I have a bug. It's crazy.
Never happened.
No, it never happened. But it's an exciting time because now we are merging all the data one tickets. So and we are building the data one. So of course it's happening now and it's lovely. So let's do another one. Yeah. So you see now the logs are on the sidebar and tree has disappeared. Let's continue. I go there and I will go to my component library. And here I can pick, for example, my component provider. And I can decide to have only the component from my team, from this module, for everything. I can show the components in many ways. Let's have a look. Here, my components are grouped in by variant or a mosaic. I can decide I will show only my main component in mosaic. I save. I have only the mosaic of my main component. So it's not a lot, but it's main purpose. So I go back to my library and I will get back my component because I need them for the rest of the demo. Yeah. So, and then another example, imagine I create a display builder for my client or for my content contributor. So I want them to only use a few features. And I can go to my toolbar button, for example. I can remove the state, so they will not be able to save, to publish. Someone else will publish. There is some access control. And I will go to an item, I will remove the delete option. So now I go there. Publish has disappeared. I right click. Delete has disappeared. So this is why we are building a tool for agencies. It's not like we give you that and you have to use it like that. We give you something you can build. You can build a builder. And we believe, and you can add new plugins, and we believe you will do crazy stuff with it. AI plugins. Yeah, UI plugins. So, okay. So, yeah, I will accept that. So now, you know, it's mostly a replacement of Lane Builder. So let's go to content entity view display. And I will activate a profile to use display builder for my entity view display. So I go fast. This is my article default. I will use a card. This is my card from my system. I go to layers because my image is big and it's faster to do like that. Let's do that. Like that. I remove this. I click it. I remove this, I remove this, tags is here. I go to my blog and all my fields are here because it's provided by the context. And all the fee formatter are available too. I can use the fee formatter from Drupal, so it's compatible with all the ecosystem. I go back to my card here. I will just put a color so we can see that it's my card. And I will, for my tags, I will put each tag into a button. It will be a primary button, and I will feed it with a label. Sorry, up, I'm accelerating, it's a bit a mess. With the label, let's have a look. Yeah, you see, it works. I publish, I create a content. Hello, Roma. I add a nice picture, a body, and very important, two tags, and it works. So it's replacing manage display and layout builder by the same UI and the same feature as page layout. And look, the two times work. But you know, this layout builder does something else. It does content override. You can override the display in the content. Let's have a look. I go back to manage display, and here I can add a field. Oh, a field, why? A field to store the override. So let's do it. Let's do it. It's a normal field, nothing magical, normal Drupal stuff, so I can play with it on the form. I decide to not show the form for now. And now I go here. I go back to my content. Oh, now I can edit the display. And only for my content here, I will remove my background color. And I will change the look of the button. It will be now info button. Okay? So it will look blue like that. I publish. I go back to my content. No, this is the home page of the website. I go back to my content. No background color. And blue, like blue, that's good, but if you don't believe me, let's create a second one. No override. This one is still green with a dark blue. So we are replacing all the scope of layout builder. Not only layout builder from core. We are covering a big part of the layout builder ecosystem inside a single styling solution. Let's continue. Let's go to views. No. No, because we have no time. I have so many things to show you. So I will do a view of articles. It will be all my articles. Oh, this page. This page. It's so complicated. It's so complicated for two reasons. It's complicated because we are building a query here, filter, sort, transfer, contextual filter, and we are also building a display. What I'm proposing to you is to build only the query, and we will build the display somewhere else. So I activate here display builder by clicking the profile. Save. I open my display builder, and this is my view in display builder. So let's put in two calls. Where is my two calls stuff? I know it's block. I go back to component. Like that. Hit to region. I will remove most of the stuff because we don't need them. What is important is my view rows will be on the right region. My pager will be on the left. I remove everything else. And I will do something even more interesting. I will put an alert. My alert here, and I will put the pager in my alert and the view title, because everything from view is here. You see? It's provided by the Drupal context again. Yeah, the pager will go there. I save. And now, if I go to my view, it works. And I can make it even better. If instead of teaser, I use the full one, because I did the full one with you a few minutes before. I save. Where do I save? It's here. It works. Views with a display builder. The same powerful display builder you have on page layout and entity view display. It's amazing. I love it. And I'm sure you will love it too. Last feature, I think you will enjoy it too. I go to display builder, my profile, remember, and I was just adding some buttons, some menu, everything, but you know it's doing so much. For example, if I go here to bottom, if I click on real-time collaboration, I will activate a big feature. So let's open a second window with the same URL, but with a second user. Hello. So I have admin on the left, hello on the right. Okay. Then I go back to my page layout, the test one, and I open it with boss. At this moment, we are in a tricky situation. Okay, so I create the god of demo. So two different users, two different browsers, editing the same display. I will add an alert here. Oh, it works. Instant. So, okay, but maybe it's go only one way. So I go to my alert on this place. I change my alert. It works. So you can do real-time collaboration, editing you wanted to view display, until 10 concurrent users. Yes, so that, after a few actions, you will see some avatars. Do it. Yeah. So you can see the avatar of the people currently editing them. So you know who is doing the sheet. And if you go to the log, of course, you will have you know every action, and you can undo and redo the action of the other people. How is it possible? It's possible thanks to three stuff. HTMX in core. Thank you, the people doing that. Symfony 7.3, which is doing a lot of work with real-time collaboration. So thank you, Symfony community. And also, because there is no alias handling. Everything is managed on Drupal. It's a normal Drupal module. There is no crazy shit. And we keep all the state server-side. Because we keep all the state of the display server-side, we can synchronize easily the display. It's because we are doing something simple that we can do a lot. That's the end of the demo, thank you.
Mi sentite? Sì. Se avete domande, come facciamo? Vengo da te? Posso?
Ah.
Grazie.
Among the 100, I will try two questions.
Yeah.
Very quick. First, is this a content model? Will it be a content model with all its dependencies?
It's a country module with only one dependency.
Okay.
If you go now, we have two.
Okay.
But our last issue for beta 1 is to remove the one of the two.
Okay.
So in beta 1, it will be only one dependency.
The second question, super quick, is okay. I tried Canvas.
Mm-hmm.
Its actual release, I was very disappointed because it is totally detached from Drupal entities. Now they create this page, so you don't know what these components are. So it's very different. I don't know how I will use it with my content, even my blogs. So I really like this approach. So the question is, do they know you're building all these?
Of course I know. Of course I know. And,
They don't care.
No, first, we have a very friendly relationship with them. I'm participating to Canva too because I see Canva and Distributor together as the opportunity of fixing and improving a lot of things in Drupal core. Because I have a double hat. I have the UI Suite hat with Michaël, and we are doing this stuff I'm very excited about. But I have another hat, is my Drupal core hat. So Canva people, they are great. They are working on similar subjects, and together we are doing a lot of things for Drupal core. So yes, of course, I know, and I know from day one.
It could be a bit confusing there for the users. What do we use?
Yeah, but it's two contributor project, okay? There are they have big visibility because of the editor. Oggi UI has a big visibility, and they work very hard and they deserve the visibility. Us, we are another country project, and all of us, we are also working for DrupalCamp. So there is a good dynamic.
Thanks.
So I think it's kind of interesting what I've seen here. I got a question.
Go for it.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Do you have an UI expert or something? Because
Okay.
what I think it's so cool, but it's kind of.
We know about that. We know about that, and it's done on purpose.
Okay.
So first, we build. Michaël told us we build all this stuff in only 200 days of work. It's not a lot. Why? Because we got a very, very precise plan. We know what we want to do. We know how we will do it, and the plan is going very well. And also because we are building from the lower layer to the upper layer. We didn't start with the UI, and the UI is coming at the end, and we are working on the UI now. Yeah. Okay. Second part of my answer. When we beta one, it will be more or less this UI. So good enough, but not great. Final will be a good UI, I hope. However, it will be only a good default UI, because we don't want everybody to have the same UI. We hope the team, the agencies, the providers, they will build even better UI thanks to the tools we are providing.
Okay, thank you.
Have a question?
Yeah.
Hi. I'm more interested to know if any of this thing is exportable in, I don't know, config or...
Exactly. It is. Okay, another reason why we did that with a small team in a few days, because we are very, very Drupal. It's just a normal module, and we are using as much as possible the modern Drupal API. There is only one plugin type we have added, and only 2 config entities.
Okay.
Everything else is Drupal core.
Okay,
So of course, entity view display is entity view display entity, you do whatever you want. Views is the view entity. You know, when you are putting the display in views, it's stored at the expecting position in the views on config entity. So you are not doing something a part of the views API. And also, we have added page layout, and page layout config entity, it's a normal config entity with only 2 properties. So, because everything else is Drupal.
Okay, thank you.
Grazie a tutti.
Finished?
Siamo in orario.
If you want a private demo, if you want to know more, don't be shy. We are here for you.
Because we didn't showcase everything.
Yeah, exactly. Grazie mille.
Grazie a tutti, grazie.